Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and as of right now we have about 2 weeks until the event starts, and we are at 30 people already signed up, and that leaves only 5 more spaces. So if you're on the fence about signing up, you might want to do it as quickly as you can. So as you can see, we have 2 more boxes here. This one here is from KBC, which is a machine tool supplier. I buy a lot of tools from this company. And this one here is from our main sponsor, Trick Tools. And this box is quite heavy, so I'll be quite excited to see exactly what's inside this box. Shortly after I posted that last video on opening the boxes, I talked to Emmett, who is a co-owner of Diamide Clamps, and he has opened a 10% discount code for those that are attending the bash. The code is Metal Bash 10, and that is valid right now through 2 weeks after the event is over. You will find a link to the discount in the description below here. You can just copy that, paste it into your browser, and it'll take you right to the Diamide site and apply the discount code. So now let me get the table cleared off here, and we'll start with KBC, get all their product laid out here, and I'll show you exactly what's going to be in the raffle. So if you're not familiar with KBC tool, they have a very nice complete catalog of machine shop tools, mills, drills, inspection equipment, and safety and cleaning equipment. And if you get onto their website, you can order a catalog. If you get onto their mailing list, you get a flyer, I guess it is, a discount flyer sent to you every month. And these things are kind of dangerous because every time I get one, I wind up buying something almost every month. And what they have sent us is 5 of their KBC hats and 5 of these vacuum flasks. So these will be in the raffle, and you'll be happy to go home with one of these. Almost everybody has a hat or wears a hat. There will be a new one for your collection. So let me get this stuff cleared off of here, and we'll see what's in that heavy box from Trick Tools. So here from Trick Tools, as you can see, a bunch of goodie bags that each of you will receive when you sign up on Saturday morning. These will be full of stickers and brochures and some really nice pieces like the thread pitch gauge that Black Book sent us. So you'll find a lot of really neat stuff in these goodie bags. If you have a car that you're working on or have built or drive, it'd be great if you brought it up. Either drive it up or even trailer it up. I have the east pasture right over here that I'm going to be putting all of the cars, motorcycles, whatever, in that area, so you won't have to go all over the north pasture to take a look at cars. Anything that is neat, unique, even if it's midway being built, even if it's on a trailer, we'll park you over there, and everything that people might want to take a picture of or talk about will be in one area. And for a COVID update, here in Mendocino County, just over the weekend, we had 47 new cases, and we had 4 deaths in a very small county, and all of those deaths were unvaccinated persons. So it looks like we are definitely going to be wearing masks inside the shop. And also, I'm sorry to announce, but the apples are gone. We had very few this year. With the water table being down, our well is only about 6 feet deep, so we can't even water everything that we like to. Just last weekend, the last of the plums dropped. The blackberries all over are just about gone. They're just shriveling up with the lack of water. So blackberries and ice cream might be kind of sparse this year. You can probably crawl back into some of the thickets, get a few blackberries, but don't bring a bucket, bring a bowl. So once again, I'd like to thank all of the great sponsors that have been sending product in. I still have like 4 or 5 left that will be coming in. So thank you to everybody that has sent us really neat stuff and Trick Tool for supplying the goodie bags. Thanks again, and please subscribe. I do appreciate a cup of coffee. See you later.